British astronaut Tim Peake may well look a little apprehensive. What he's attempting is a world first, controlling a vehicle here on Earth from 250 miles up in space. At the Airbus Control Centre in Stevenage, this is the moment engineers had hoped for, as Bridget, one of a trio of Mars rovers, whirs into life.
Today we are doing an experiment where Tim Peake aboard the space station is controlling a rover down here on Earth, but in the future it could be an astronaut in a deep space habitat far out from planet Earth, controlling a rover exploring the Moon or Mars.
Well, this is Bridget, looking very much like something from the 1980s film Short Circuit. She's the Mars explorer, which Tim Peake will control from outer space. Now, you might think in this very connected world that we live in, that controlling a vehicle like this from outer space wouldn't be too difficult, but the technical challenges are truly immense. The signal being sent from the International Space Station is being beamed to a satellite and then down to a base station in Germany before it's relayed to the replica Mars landscape here in Stevenage. The experiment paves the way for a mission in 2 years when a six-wheeled machine with a brain similar to Bridget's will be launched to the Red Planet, looking for signs of past life 6 feet below the surface. The rovers, though, haven't always been able to distinguish shadows from obstacles, or guarantee that in the absence of sunlight and solar power, for example inside a cave, that they carry on functioning. So part of the experiment earlier was conducted in darkness to ensure both issues have been resolved.
We are on the brink of really important technological developments that are going to make space an even greater part of everyday life. British firms, including Airbus in the UK, CGI, Surrey Satellites, are really well positioned to take advantage of these opportunities.
And today came an announcement that should help inspire the space scientists of the future.
Today we've announced that we're going to build a £3.2 million visitor centre here at the Mars Yard. We're really conscious here that we've got something inspirational like the Mars Rover. We want to use that to really inspire the next generation of engineers and scientists.
Engineers say not since the 1960s has there been so much excitement over developments in the space sector. And crucially, Britain is either at the heart or significantly involved in many of them. It was a brief journey for Bridget today, but one which could bring about some of the biggest leaps forward in space exploration. Russell Hookey, ITV News, Stevenage.